Hey, beautiful babes, welcome in. Good morning, good morning. Listen, even if I'm not whipping up a mask, I'm always using some kind of mask. Check out this very affordable mask I got off of Amazon. It's the Freeman Dead Sea Minerals Anti-Stress Clay Facial Mask. It's hydrating, clarifying, clears pores. It's a face mask that's made with lavender and bergamot to give you radiant skin, and it's good for most skin types. Check this out. The Freeman Dead Sea Minerals Anti-Stress Clay Facial Mask offers several potential benefits for the skin that I love. And here are some of the key advantages I want to share with you. It's deep cleansing. The clay mask contains natural minerals from the Dead Sea, such as magnesium, calcium, and potassium. These minerals help to draw out impurities like dirt and excess oil from the skin, providing a deep cleansing effect. It helps to unclog my pores and remove dead skin cells, leaving my skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And it also has detoxification benefits, as the minerals present in it have detoxifying properties. They can help eliminate toxins from my skin and promote a healthier complexion. Now, regular use of this mask can assist in purifying the skin and improving its overall clarity. Not only that, I love the soothing and calming effects of it. This mask is formulated to be an anti-stress treatment, which means it can help to soothe and calm my skin. The minerals combined with other nourishing ingredients can provide a gentle and relaxing experience, reducing redness and irritation. Hydration and moisture. This clay mask also contains hydrating ingredients that can replenish and moisture the skin. This helps to keep my skin hydrated and prevents excessive dryness. Proper hydration can enhance the skin's elasticity and promote a smoother, plumper appearance. Now, check this out, y'all. It also has brightening effects and helps to even out the complexion. The Dead Sea minerals in this mask, along with other beneficial ingredients, can help to brighten the skin and promote an even complexion. Regular use can diminish the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone, giving your skin a more radiant and youthful glow, girl. Now, if you are wanting to anti-stress, okay, relaxation and stress relief is what you're going to get. Apart from the skin benefits, using this clay mask can also provide a relaxing and enjoyable experience. Taking time for self-care and pampering can help reduce stress levels, contributing to overall well-being. So today, y'all, I did something that I have not done before on my hair. I have color treated hair, and today, instead of using the Lustrous S-Curl, which I thought was pretty harsh on the hair, I decided to use the African Pride Dream Kids Olive Oil Miracle Relaxer. It's in regular strength, and this particular relaxer is marketed for children's hair, and it may not be suitable for adult hair because of the fact that this particular product is gentle and it's for delicate hair and scalps. Now, while most adults, our hair is usually thicker and of course coarser than children's hair, but because I have color treated hair, then I pretty much decided to use this. Now, the thing about even using a relaxer on color treated hair, relaxers are chemical treatments designed to straighten and relax natural hair texture, but they still can be harsh on hair and scalp. And if you have color treated hair, it's important to note that this is considered to be not so favorable to mix these chemical processes together because it can weaken and damage the hair. But I decided to do it and to see what happens. If it falls out, y'all know me. I've been rocking a bald head forever, so I am not mad at it. So I basically went for it and mixed it up, which was pretty simple to mix up. And y'all, listen, I did everything that I needed to do to get it all into my hair and quickly, kind of combed it through to prepare to go ahead and hop in the shower and get all of this stuff rinsed off. So once I finished all of that, guess what? I hit the shower, and when I did, I came back with the new look, okay? It appeared none of my hair fell out, shedded, or anything like that, so I was lucky. And y'all, overall, let me tell you something. This, for the most part, let me tell you first, it smelled better than the S-Curl, Luster's S-Curl stuff. That stuff was funky. But when I got out of the shower, my hair was straight. It felt good. It did not feel, like it was damaged. I went ahead and sprayed on my glycerin water and went ahead and started to style it up. Now, I didn't have any mousse, which I need to get some of that. But once I went into the process of this, my hair actually felt much better than it did using the S-Curl. I'm kind of at the point now where I'm really wanting to wear my hair like waved or straight or styled, instead of having it in my natural texture. So I am excited about this. So will I do it again? Heck yeah, I loved it. And it was, like I said, my hair was feeling conditioned and soft. So I had not a problem with continuing on with this particular process. So you'll be seeing my hair like this a lot. I love it, and it felt amazing. It felt amazing, and I think it looked healthy and amazing as well. So check it out here. Look at it. I love it. It actually looked like my roots grew out even more, but because my hair is kind of like spaced out a little bit more, that's what it looks like. But today it is still hanging in here 2 days later, so I am loving it. Check it out, y'all, if you're interested. I'll have the link below. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed my new little spa time with myself, and y'all do the same thing. I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care until then. Like, comment, subscribe, and share me with your world. I'll see you soon. Bye.